Hi guys, and welcome to another ChatGPT basic tutorial. In this video I just want to show you and speak a little bit about custom GPTs, what are they and how can you actually get them. So basically custom GPTs is what you see here on the left side here on the list, okay? And as the name indicates, they are customized for a specific instruction. So basically instead of talking with a platform like the normal way, you can have specific pre-made instructions on a custom GPT and talk with them. So they will take in consideration the previous instructions, files, whatever you have, and this is a really good way to start being more experienced on ChatGPT, to have better prompts and better outputs because they will be tailor-made with pre-instructions. So just a quick note, if you are a free user, you can just use other ones. So if you go here on the left side, you will have a button called Explore GPTs, okay? And you can see these have like kind of like a marketplace, and you can use, most of them are free, so you can just click on them, see what they are all about, and just try to use them right here on the platform. So for example, let's say, for example, this logo creator here, okay, it says use me to generate professional logos, design and app icons. So if I click on this one, okay, I can actually start chatting with them. You see here what is have the conversation started, the rating, so people rate. This is like the app store of the iPhone, okay. So if I click start chat, it will allow me to start chatting with that, okay. So in this case, it just jump out because it says it's not available anymore, so we need to go and choose another one. But as you can see here on the left side, this is all Luis and I that we created, so you can create your own. However, in order to create your own, is this button here on the right, you need to be a Plus user. So at the time we are shooting this video, it doesn't mean that it will not appear for you when you are checking this video, because depending on the time you are checking on. But for now, the only people with a Plus or above, they are allowed to create their own custom GPTs. If you are on the free plan, you can play around with already pre-made custom GPTs, but you cannot create yours, okay? So let me try to check another one. They are giving some error right now, but let's see which one. Right engaging content. Okay, let's try this one and see if I can use this one. Maybe it's just a password. Okay, so as you can see now, the dashboard is exactly the same, but it says write for me here on the top left side. You see here. So even though I'm inside the ChatGPT platform, I'm now talking with a ChatGPT that have pre-made instructions. So the person that made this custom GPT, he gave specific instructions, in this case to write engaging content and focus on quality, relevance, and precise word counting. And as you can see here, this is just examples that I can ask, but I can ask anything that I want, okay? I will probably write an article detailing, okay, I can say write an article about productivity with, I don't know, 500 words, okay? So as I said, the big difference here is that it has pre-instructions. I don't need to be super tailored when I create this prompt because they're already pre-made. So that's kind of the main advantage of having a custom made ChatGPT, custom GPT in this case, because you don't need to write a lot of information because he already knows the instructions. So if I have a custom GPT that has my entire social, like all my LinkedIn posts, I have my instructions, like I like bullet points, emojis, this is my tone of voice, these are examples. When I go to my custom GPT, I can just say, write me a LinkedIn post about AI, and he will know my tone of voice, my instructions, he will check my examples because he has that instruction built in the custom GPT. And as you can see here, this is a pretty good article. Again, it has a structure, it has like headlines and all of that. Of course, I can continue, and this is a custom GPT from another person, so I don't know if it's good or not, okay? But if you are a free member, just go around, play a little bit. They are really cool custom GPTs in here that you can really easily use for different stuff, as I said, to create logos, to write essays, you can just read the descriptions and just try to start using some of them. They will appear here on your left side when you start using them, so you can really easily, quickly find them on the left side and start using. Of course, the main I will say benefit is to create your own. But as I said, that will be for another video, and you need to be a Plus member to do it. But I can just show you really quickly. If you click create, now I can configure the ChatGPT. So I can give a name, description, instructions. I can upload the entire file of the knowledge base, so like CSV files, PDF files, whatever I want. I can even say what capabilities I want. If I want web search, Canva, Deli Ali, you can even create actions even with Zapier and so on, so I have automations inside. So this is a really cool and powerful. I think this is kind of the next step after you learn how to use the ChatGPT platform, to starting creating your own custom GPTs. Of course, if you are not a Plus user, you cannot use it. So if you are a free one, just go and check the marketplace. Again, is right here on the left, explore GPTs, and just start opening it up, start chatting, see what you like, and see if they make good output for you. Again, they are made for other people, or so it technically doesn't necessarily have to be really good for you, because it was made for another person. But if you like it, go ahead and test it out. Okay, so this is the custom GPT part. Again, it's more tailor-made and customized, and again, if you like it, just test it out. And yep, I will see you on the next video.